What's up guys, it's Avocado Man and welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't posted for a while, I was just kind of busy, but I'm back and I'm gonna try to upload more. And today I'm gonna show you how to create a Discord bot. Let's get started. So first you wanna go to the developer portal, which is discord.com/developers/applications. The link will be in the description, so we'll put it in the description so you can just click from there. Then you want to press new application, name it. I'm just gonna name it tutorial bot because why not. Then you want to go to bot and click add bot and yes. Then you can change the icon if you want. I'm just gonna keep it like this since it's a tutorial. Then you wanna go to OAuth 2. You wanna press bot. Then you wanna add administrator and then copy. Open a new tab and just paste it in and press enter. Then you wanna add it to the server. I'm just gonna add it to a server that I made for this bot, and then just do all the CAPTCHA stuff and then press I am human, and then after that you're authorized. So if you open Discord up and you go to the server that you added your bot in, it should be in the offline section since we haven't really coded it yet, so how is it going to be online? But as you can see, I go to the server and tutorials right here. Okay, so now we can get started with the coding. To code, you'll need to go to a website called repl.it, and I spelled that wrong. Yeah, after that you probably want to log in, but I'm already logged in, so it's fine. So then you press new repl, and you want to do Python because that's the language that I'm going to be showing you how to code your bot in. And you would just name it anything. I'm just gonna name it tutorial bot. And then just create the repl. Then once you're here, you should probably see something that's like a console here and then your Python file. So once you get here, you want to go to the shell, and first you want to do pip install Discord because we're going to use Discord to code our bot. Then you should probably see this huge thing, and after that you see successfully installed this, then we can actually code. So first you just want to type import Discord, then enter, then do from Discord import commands because that's what we'll use to actually code our commands. Then you want to do some more enters. Then you want to define client. Client will help us do our actual bots coding. So client equals commands dot bot. Then you want to inside you want to do prefix equals, and then just add anything here. For this, I'm just gonna make it exclamation mark, and yeah. Client basically acts like your bot user, so yeah. Then after you do that, then you want to do add rate client dot event, and then you want to enter. Then you want to do async def on ready. Then you want to do message. Yeah, so you want to do that. Then you want to press that again. Then then you want to add a colon there. Then do print. Then you want to do F, and then you want to use your you want to do print and then F string it, and then you want to add brackets, then do client.user, and then you want to do is ready. So basically what this does is when we run the bot, then if there's no errors, then this will just say like tutorial bot is ready. So yeah, so when that's finished, we'll start with the commands, client.commands, and then you add the parenthesis here, then you do async def, and you can name this whatever. I'm just gonna do test because yeah, and then you want to add parenthesis, then you want to do ctx, which is context. For example, like if you did like exclamation mark test is the context, so you need that there, then colon, then you want to press enter, then you can await it, then ctx.send. This is whatever, this is like if someone did the exclamation test, this would send whatever you wrote in the ctx.send. So let's just write here, hi. Okay, so what this will do is when someone does exclamation.test, the bot will send hi. Okay, so then you want to do client.run, then that. Then you want to go to the Discord developer portal, go to bot, and then you want to press copy. So this is like basically a password for your bot. I'm showing it because you can regenerate it, so I'll just regenerate it later. And that literally just regenerates it. And yeah, so you just do that. And then just press copy, go to the repl.it, then inside the quotation marks, just paste it in, and yeah, now your bot's pretty much ready. Oh wait, you need to do ext here. And then yeah, so far we have that. Then press run, and you should see this just configuring because this is the first time we're using it. So yeah, just wait for it to like run. Oh wait. Yeah, so it needs to be command prefix here. Yeah, so you need to do that. Then run it again. See? So it says tutorial bot is ready, and if you go back, tutorial is online. So then you could do exclamation test, and tutorial bot sends hi. And that's basically how you show bot. I'll be making some more videos on like more good commands and stuff like that. Be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. If this video hits 5 likes, then I'll do part 2. And if it doesn't, then I'll still upload another video. So yeah, bye!